Not every Rolex sits in the same league. Some are entry points into timeless design, while others are Grail pieces built for power, rarity, and serious money. Today, we rank the 7 levels of Rolex watches, from accessible classics to the most elite creations, so you can understand the hierarchy behind one of horology's biggest names in luxury watchmaking. Level 7. Daytona Series Rolex. Cosmograph. Daytona, introduced in 1963, is one of the most iconic and sought-after watches in the world of luxury timepieces. Originally designed for professional race car drivers, it quickly gained a reputation for its precision and durability. The watch features a chronograph function, which allows users to measure elapsed time, making it highly functional for motorsports enthusiasts. The Daytona is powered by the Rolex Caliber 4130 movement, a self-winding mechanical chronograph movement known for its reliability and accuracy. The design of the Daytona remains timeless, with a sleek, sporty aesthetic that includes a tachymeter scale, allowing the user to calculate speed over a given distance. Its 40mm case, often crafted in 18K gold or stainless steel, along with the distinctive subdials and Oyster case, adds to its luxury appeal. The Rolex Daytona is not just a tool for timing, but a symbol of luxury, precision, and performance. Over the years, the Daytona has become a collector's item, especially in limited editions and rare variants, like the Paul Newman Daytona, which fetches astronomical prices in the auction market. Pros: precision chronograph, iconic design, versatile luxury, high resale value, durable build. Cons: high price, limited availability, long wait list for new models. Price: the price of a Rolex Cosmograph. Daytona typically ranges between $13,000 and $40,000, depending on the materials, model, and market demand. Level 6. Day-Date Series. Rolex Day-Date, also known as the President, due to its popularity among world leaders, was introduced in 1956 and is one of the most prestigious models in the Rolex lineup. Known for its elegance and sophistication, the Day-Date is the first wristwatch to display both the date and the day of the week in full on the dial. It is powered by the Caliber 3255 movement, which provides superior precision, with an impressive power reserve of about 70 hours. The Day-Date is available in a variety of luxurious materials, including 18K yellow, white, and Everose gold, as well as platinum, with a range of dial colors and configurations. The signature fluted bezel and President bracelet make it instantly recognizable. The watch also includes a Cyclops lens over the date for enhanced readability. The Rolex Day-Date is not just a timepiece. It's a symbol of success, often worn by high-profile figures and considered an aspirational watch for many. The watch is renowned for its timeless design, which has remained largely unchanged over decades, ensuring its lasting appeal among collectors and enthusiasts alike. Pros: iconic design, exceptional craftsmanship, full day and date display, prestigious status symbol, high precision. Cons: expensive, not suitable for casual or rugged wear, limited by availability and waitlists. Price: the Rolex Day-Date typically ranges from $30,000 to $50,000, depending on the materials and model specifics, with limited edition versions and those made from platinum often fetching higher prices. Level 5. GMT-Master 2. Series Rolex. GMT-Master 2 is one of the most iconic and functional luxury watches ever made. Initially designed in 1954 for Pan Am pilots, the GMT-Master was created to help them keep track of multiple time zones while flying around the world. The GMT-Master II, launched in 1982, improved upon this design with a rotatable bezel and a movement that allows for independent adjustment of the hour hand without affecting the minute hand or the 24-hour GMT hand. This makes it perfect for frequent travelers who need to monitor 2 or more time zones simultaneously. The GMT-Master II features the reliable Rolex Caliber 3285 movement, offering a 70-hour power reserve, and is housed in the classic 40mm Oyster case. Its signature rotating bezel, often in two-tone colors such as the Pepsi, blue and red, or Batman, blue and black, adds a bold visual appeal while maintaining functionality. The watch is made of durable materials like 904L stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand daily wear. The GMT-Master II has become a sought-after collector's piece due to its versatility, robust design, and long history. Pros: dual time zone function, rugged and durable, iconic design, high-quality movement, popular among collectors. Cons: expensive, long waiting list for new models, relatively bulky for smaller wrists. Price: The price of the Rolex GMT-Master de Nord ranges from approximately $9,000 to $20,000, depending on the model, material, and dial configuration, with limited editions or special versions often commanding a premium. Level 4. Submariner Series. Rolex Submariner, first introduced in 1953, is perhaps the most iconic dive watch in the world. Known for its timeless design and exceptional functionality, the Submariner was originally developed for professional divers, but it has since become a symbol of luxury and adventure. With a 40mm Oyster steel case and a rotating bezel, it allows divers to track elapsed time underwater with precision. Powered by the Rolex Caliber 3235, the Submariner offers a 70-hour power reserve and is known for its reliability and accuracy. Its 300-meter water resistance and robust construction make it a go-to choice for both diving professionals and collectors. The watch's distinctive black or green dial, accompanied by white hour markers and the signature Mercedes hands, provide excellent readability in low light or underwater. Over the years, the Rolex Submariner has remained largely unchanged, maintaining its classic appeal and performance while also becoming one of the most coveted models in the Rolex collection. Pros: exceptional water resistance, iconic design, highly durable, reliable movement, timeless appeal. Cons: high price, limited availability, not suitable for very formal occasions. Price: the price of a Rolex Submariner typically ranges between $8,000 and $12,000, depending on the model and material, with limited edition versions or those featuring precious metals often costing more. Level 3. Datejust Series Rolex. Datejust, introduced in 1945, is one of the most enduring and versatile models in Rolex's history. Known for its elegant and timeless design, the Datejust was the first wristwatch to feature an automatically changing date function, a revolutionary advancement at the time. With its signature Cyclops lens over the date for easy readability, the Datejust has become synonymous with luxury and sophistication. The watch is available in various sizes, from 28mm to 41mm, and materials, including stainless steel, yellow gold, white gold, and Everose gold, offering a wide range of options to suit different preferences. The Datejust is powered by the Rolex Caliber 3235 movement, which ensures accuracy and a 70-hour power reserve. Its smooth or fluted bezel and Oyster case provide durability and elegance. The Datejust's clean and simple dial, often adorned with Roman or Arabic numerals, adds to its versatile aesthetic, making it suitable for both formal and casual occasions. Over the years, the Datejust has maintained its status as a quintessential luxury watch, celebrated for its craftsmanship and enduring design. Pros: timeless design, high-quality movement, versatile for all occasions, date functionality with Cyclops lens, durable and reliable. Cons: expensive, limited by availability, and can be seen as too traditional for those seeking more modern designs. Price: the price of a Rolex Datejust generally ranges from $7,000 to $13,000, depending on the material, size, and specific model features, with higher-end versions in gold or platinum commanding higher prices. Level 2. Explorer Series Rolex. Explorer, introduced in 1953, is a rugged and reliable timepiece that has become synonymous with adventure and exploration. Originally designed for mountaineers, it was famously worn by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay during their successful ascent of Mount Everest. The Explorer's simple, functional design prioritizes legibility and durability, with a 36mm stainless steel case, large hour markers, and a distinctive black dial that is easy to read in low-light conditions. The watch is powered by the Rolex Caliber 3132 movement, offering a 48-hour power reserve, and is designed to withstand extreme conditions, including temperatures, shocks, and magnetic fields. The Explorer features a robust and waterproof Oyster case, and its sleek design makes it suitable for both casual and formal wear. Over the years, the Rolex Explorer has maintained its reputation for precision and durability, appealing to those who seek a reliable watch that embodies the spirit of adventure. The Explorer is also available in a slightly larger 39mm size in newer models, offering a modern twist on the classic design. Pros: durable and reliable, clean and functional design, high-quality movement, water-resistant, perfect for adventure. Cons: relatively small size compared to modern sports watches, can be too simple for those preferring more features. Price: the price of a Rolex Explorer generally ranges between $6,500 and $8,000, depending on the model and market conditions, with special edition models or those with added features typically costing more. Level 1. Entry-level models Rolex Oyster Perpetual, introduced in 1931, is one of the brand's most iconic and versatile models, renowned for its simple yet elegant design and groundbreaking features. It was the first wristwatch to feature Rolex's innovative Oyster case, which is fully waterproof, and the Perpetual movement, a self-winding mechanism that ensures the watch is powered continuously with movement, eliminating the need for manual winding. The Oyster Perpetual is available in a variety of sizes, typically ranging from 28 mm to 41 mm, and is made of Rolex's durable Oyster steel. Its clean and minimalist dial, often with hour markers or Roman numerals, appeals to those who appreciate a timeless, versatile look. The watch is powered by the caliber 3130 or 3230 movement, depending on the size, offering accuracy and a 48-hour power reserve. With its combination of craftsmanship, reliability, and understated luxury, the Oyster Perpetual is a popular choice for both casual and formal settings. Its simple design makes it a perfect introduction to the world of Rolex, offering the brand's renowned quality at a more accessible price point compared to other models. Pros: simple and timeless design, durable waterproof case, self-winding movement, versatile for all occasions, affordable for a Rolex. Cons: lacks advanced features like date display or chronograph, may be considered too basic for some. Price: the price of a Rolex Oyster Perpetual typically ranges from $5,000 to $7,000, depending on the model size, dial color, and market demand. From the entry-level Rolex Oyster Perpetual to the prestigious Rolex Daytona, exploring the 7 levels of Rolex watches highlights the diverse offerings of the brand. With each tier representing excellence and mastery in watchmaking, Rolex continues to cater to a wide range of collectors. Choosing the right level ensures both timeless elegance and lasting value.